Hello business math students, I want to show you this video and let you know how to work certain worksheets I have on your Canvas. So to jump right into it, if you go to your Canvas, go to assignments, you'll come up with this list of assignments, and I will be publishing this assignment soon, and you'll see more to come down here. But I want to show you how to work these NGPF assignments. So you've probably done this by now. You've clicked on my links and you know what this copy document means. You need Google Docs to make this work. So if you don't have Google Docs on your phone, please download it. Once you click on the link and you copy the worksheet, you should have something like this pop up on your phone, on your tablet, on your whatever it may be. NGPF, personal finance. Okay, so how do I do? There's a lot of words here. There are a lot of questions. It looks kind of confusing. Where do I start? Well, you want to start with these numbers right here. Question of the day: what worries adults most when it comes to financial matters? Okay, answer the question on the first slide. What slide is it talking about? Answer the question on the first slide. What is it talking about? Well, you have a link right here. If you click on this blue writing, you have a link and it will pop up as a different as YouTube, as Google Slides, as whatever it may be, a website. All these on the sides are links, are resources you will need to click on. So let's say you go through the first slide, you answer the question, blah blah. Oh, it has more directions. Then compare your answers to the answer on the second slide. Okay, I'm going to go to the second slide. Oh, look at these answers. Okay, that kind of cut off halfway, but you get the gist. Go through the directions, answer it here. Let me show you another example. How much money should I save? Cal Penn explains. Watch this video on how much to save, and which also gives some examples of what to save for. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh, it's a YouTube video.
Need a professional.
Alright, so as it plays, you can go through, you can answer these questions, etc. This is also a video. So when you go through, make sure you open these resources on the side. It tells you read the article and then answer the questions on the right. So you have to go through, read this article. It gives you tricks to save money. And then once you're done, this is really important. Once you're done with all your answers, you want to come here. You can also do this on your phone. Alright? And this is important. You need to change the link from restricted. You need to change it. So if you just click there, anyone on the internet with this link can view. So I need to be able to see your homework. What I would do if I were you is I would change it to view so anyone can see it, and then copy the link. Okay? After you copy the link, go back to Canvas and you can submit it. You can submit the link for me on Canvas, and that is the best way to do it. So I can just look at your homework, grade it, give you feedback, whatever it may be. If you have any questions about these worksheets, or if you're having trouble with Canvas, please let me know. Then I can help you. Thank you very much.